You're cruising with Tammuz again. I gotta put it back on because I gotta hear this guy singing. He's an old man like me. What a beautiful voice and what a great guitar he's got. I'm gonna let you hear him sing.
Sitting by a fireside with a book in your hand. 3 lazy dogs sitting, watching your man.
We're gonna go sideways now.
3 roses were bought with you in mind. 3 roses were bought with you in mind. I got to stop. See what I'm all about. Stop, feel what I want. I got to stop and see what I'm all about. Stop.
This is the Tiki Bar in Gulfport, where I hang out at. I'm a parrot head, you know. You're cruising with Tammuz.